I'm here with George. We are in Syracuse, Indiana. We just completed this exterior project, repaint here. We just have some few questions for you. How was your experience with Matthews Painting Company and the painters that did your work?
Very nice, very good. We enjoyed working with everybody that showed up. I think at one point we had all 7 of you.
Thank you. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate us?
Oh, I'd give you a 10.
Thank you. Would you recommend us to friends and family?
I would if somebody asked. I don't make a habit of going around recommending things, but anybody who asks me, I'd be happy to steer them your way.
Thank you. And lastly, did we do everything that we said we would do?
As far as I can tell, maybe it'll take about 10 or 20 years before I'll find out.
Thank you, George.